Hi, this is Mike, and in today's video we're going to look at the dangers of visceral fat, also known as belly fat. So visceral fat is incredibly harmful and may increase your risk of chronic disease such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes and even certain cancers. Hi, this is Mike. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen today. I just wanted to stop by to let you know that I make these informational videos every week, and if you find them helpful, then please subscribe, comment, like, hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated, and thank you so much for watching the videos. And let's get on with today's video. Fortunately, there are proven diet strategies you can follow to help reduce the risk of visceral fat. Some of these include eating fewer carbs and less added sugar in your food, doing more exercise such as aerobics and high intensity interval training, also increasing your intake of protein and friendly fats. By implementing these strategies, you can lose visceral fat and improve your long-term health. Specifically, in this video, we're going to look at how a low carbohydrate diet can help remove that stubborn visceral fat. And believe me, your organs that it's wrapped around will thank you for it. But be warned, this takes effort and work. So I want you to ask yourself this question: what's your long-term health and lifestyle worth? Okay, so let's be clear about what visceral fat is. It's that band of fat around your waist that looks like a spare tyre. Do you have it? Well, is your belly hanging over your belt? Does your gut feel hard? And no, that isn't your abs. Well, that's visceral fat, not the soft, subcutaneous fat just below our skin surface that we all have. You know, the fat that you can pinch around your waist. Visceral fat is stored in a person's abdominal cavity, and it's called active fat because it influences how hormones function in your body. Therefore, an excess of visceral fat has potentially dangerous side effects. As a result, the more a person stores visceral fat around their vital organs, the greater the risk of health issues. So what sort of health issues are we talking about here? Well, for a start, type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, heart disease, heart attack, strokes, high blood pressure, Alzheimer's, breast cancer and colorectal cancer, along with a whole load of hormonal issues which will also lead to inflammation. So you might be thinking, what actually causes visceral fat? Well, of course, your diet, what and how you eat, and possibly a lack of any meaningful exercise. Which brings us to the question, how do you know if you have visceral fat? Well, a good rule of thumb is if you are an apple shape, then you have more visceral fat because most of your fat is above your waistline and you need to change your diet immediately. Alternatively, if your shape is more like a pear, kind of narrow at the waist and mostly wider in the hips and rear end, then you're okay, as this means you have more subcutaneous fat. So the simple rule is, fat above the waist means you have visceral fat, and fat below the waist means you have subcutaneous fat. So if you are a woman and your waist measurement is over 35 inches, you have visceral fat, then you need to change your diet and lifestyle immediately. And if you are a man and your waist measurement is over 40 inches, you have visceral fat and you need to change your diet and lifestyle immediately too. But when you measure, be sure to measure around the belly button. And do this now before you encounter any serious health issues. Or even worse, departing this world too early. Yes, I know that sounds harsh, but I'm afraid it's the truth. Just remember, the fast food, high carbohydrate Western diet is killing you. Slowly. Okay, this video is getting a bit long and a little morbid, and I need to talk to you about how you can get rid of your visceral fat. And remember, it's not all bad news, and there are ways to reduce your belly fat, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so quickly, the fat belly busting low carb diet I'm going to share with you in the next video is the keto diet. You may have heard of it, heck, you may even have tried it and given up on it, but my hope is that in the next video I can motivate you to take action. See the link in the description below where you can check out video 2, and in that video I'll share more details about the diet that will get rid of your belly fat safely and quickly, along with other techniques to help you along the way too. So if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe, comment, like and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. This is Mike, thanks for watching, bye for now.